Verizon 5G home internet and cable internet are two distinct ways to get online. Cable uses physical coaxial cables, offering consistent speeds and reliability, especially in urban areas. Think of providers like Comcast Xfinity or Spectrum. Verizon 5G Home, on the other hand, uses wireless 5G technology, similar to your phone, offering flexibility and expanding coverage, particularly in areas where cable isn't readily available. As of November 2025, Verizon 5G Home covers over 80% of U.S. households. Let's break down the core differences: speed, price, and reliability. Cable internet typically delivers consistent speeds averaging 150 to 500 megabyte per second, providing stable performance for everyday use. Verizon 5G Home can reach up to 1 gigabit per second, but speeds fluctuate based on proximity to cell towers and network congestion. For pricing, Verizon 5G Home starts at $70 per month for up to 1 gigabit per second with no data caps, offering a simple plan. Cable prices begin around $55 per month, but often rise with added fees and data caps, potentially costing more over time. Reliability is generally stronger with cable due to its wired connection, boasting uptimes around 99.5%. 5G home reliability can vary, with Verizon claiming 99% uptime, but independent tests reveal occasional buffering during peak hours. Ultimately, cable excels in urban areas prioritizing speed and stability, while 5G shines in rural locations needing broader coverage and simpler setups.